How to get started with AI in 2025. Your step-by-step guide, futuristic montage of AI robots, smart homes, and self-driving cars. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Future Feed AI. Rocket AI in 2025 isn't just for tech giants anymore, it's for you. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just AI curious, today's video will show you exactly how to dive into AI this year, even if you're starting from zero. Let's turn you from AI newbie to confident builder in 5 minutes. Buckle up. 1.3 billion AI jobs by 2025 World Economic Forum. First, AI is huge. Don't get overwhelmed. Pick one area that excites you. Are you into creative AI? Think art, music, video editing, business AI? Data analysis, chatbots, automation, technical AI? Machine learning, coding, robotics, example niches. AI content creation, AI for small business, AI programming. Your niche decides your tools, courses, and projects. I'll drop resources for all three in the description. You don't need a PhD. Start with free foundational courses. 1. Google's AI for Everyone Non-Technical Intro. 2. Kaggle's Intro to Machine Learning Hands-on Coding. 3. YouTube tutorials, search, AI Basics 2025, AI Basics 2025, into YouTube. Pro tip. Learn prompt engineering. The #1 skill for working with AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. It's just fancy talk for how to ask AI the right questions. Cut to host prompting ChatGPT to design a workout plan. See? No coding required, just creativity, time to play. Here's my 2025 toolkit for beginners. Creative AI. Canva Magic Studio, AI Design, Suno.ai, AI Music Generation, Runway ML, Video Editing, Business AI. ChatGPT 5, free tier. Hugging Face. No-code chatbots, Tableau, AI Data Visualization, Technical AI. Google Colab, free Python coding, TensorFlow Playground, Visual ML training. Spend 30 minutes daily experimenting. Try generating a logo, analyzing fake sales data, or training a mini AI model. Fail fast, learn faster, projects, certificates. Start small. 1. Creative. Make an AI-generated YouTube thumbnail. 2. Business. Automate email replies with ChatGPT. 3. Technical. Build a cat versus dog image classifier. Training an AI model in 5 clicks. Use platforms like Lobe.ai or Teachable Machine. They're drag and drop. Share your project on LinkedIn or Reddit for feedback. Boom, you're in the AI game. AI moves fast. Stay updated. Discord. Join AI Nerds 2025 feed or Midjourney Creators. Newsletters. The Batch by Andrew Ng. AI Weekly Local Meetups. Check meetup.com for AI hackathons on screen text. Collaborate right pointing arrow. Learn right pointing arrow. Grow. Pro tip. Follow AI influencers on X, Twitter for daily insights. I'll list my favorites below. Monetize your skills. Yes, you can earn while learning. Freelance. Offer AI editing services on Fiverr. Content. Start an AI tutorial channel like this one. Apps. Build no-code AI tools with Bubble.io. You're just one project away from your first AI paycheck. Cut to host smiling with a subscribe animation. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Tell me in the comments, what's your first AI project going to be? Next week, I'll show you how I made $500 per month with AI while learning. See you then. Subscribe for more AI hacks, plus video playlist.